Tonight we're going to talk great holiday garments, and when we talk great holiday garments, we need great holiday fabrics, and this is what these really are about. These are great holiday fabrics. We start with this brush black crushed velvet, just beautiful, great drape. I'll show you the garment that I made out of that tonight. It's just really pretty. This is a cotton poly blend, has stretch in both directions. We go to this beautiful gunmetal, kind of a liquid gunmetal. It's just beautiful, stunning. It has stretch in one direction. It's just the prettiest fabric ever. You'll see a top I made out of it tonight. Very pretty, very just lovely with jeans. Just really makes the mark. Now all of these are $12.99 with the exception of the this next one I'm going to show you. But this is a cotton poly and again stretch in one direction. This is a teal faux leather. Beautiful piece, light but great drape, has stretch in one direction. Just a really pretty color. You know, we've had some reversible, and I didn't so much think this was reversible, but I had a lady in the store Saturday and she bought it. She was going to use both sides. So you can see once you get it whether you like both sides or not, but it's very pretty. This is a little bit more, but everything else is $12.99. Then we have the cotton. This is a cotton poly. It's a beautiful pink velvet, beautiful stretch pink velvet. It has stretch in one direction. Just pretty, very holiday, and that's what we need. And then we have a beautiful black stretch lace, has stretch in both directions. It's a cotton poly, again $12.99. You can see it's I don't know if you can see the print on it. It's a very dense lace, which makes it really nice because you can put something under it or you don't need to. It's not really that see-through. And then we have this beautiful red. We know the holidays are all about red. This is called can't remember the name, but anyway, maybe the name's in here. Yeah, I can't remember, but we'll put it up there. I can't remember, but it's got stretch in both directions. It's a beautiful. It's kind of a mix between a Pontoroma and a scuba knit. It really is pretty. So that because of the stretch in both directions, there's a lot to do with it, but it's a little more weighty. It's a 4 ounce, and you can see it's got great drape. It's really beautiful. Again, $12.99 for all of these except for the teal. And the goal is happy holiday sewing. We'll see you tonight.